All right, Pfizer's at $38.65 with a market cap of 215.60 billion. So we are staying steady in this $38 range. I want to go over this article really quick that pretty much explains why we've hit this new high and why we're staying steady in there. Typically, Pfizer's at $36 or less. So being at 38, and I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 39. I just want you to be aware of what's going on. So Pfizer is to start shipping the coronavirus vaccine to Canada, and Canada has a deal with Pfizer for 76 million doses. And honestly, I'm expecting another deal to come up for more, just for the maybe we might need a third shot, you know, shots next year. That's a pretty big deal for Canada, and I'm expecting another deal to be signed with Pfizer. And Pfizer has already shipped 10 million doses to Mexico. And obviously, Mexico is pretty big, so they're going to get another deal. I'm sure of that. And Pfizer has an agreement set up already with Brazil to where they're going to get 100 million doses, and there's a potential talks of 100 million more. Now, this is on top of what happened recently, where Pfizer agreed to send 1.8 billion doses to the EU, the European Union. So this is an insane amount of doses, which equals an insane amount of money. So this is going to end up being billions and billions and billions of dollars. And this is why we're in the $38 range. And I guarantee all these places that have made agreements, they're going to get those same agreements because Pfizer is kind of the number one shot. They're solid. J&J, nobody wants that. I've never heard anyone say that they want the J&J shot just due to this the scare that's going on with it. There's potential for risk and they just are allowing it to happen. So that's just what I hear from people, and it just tells me that Pfizer is going to make bank. It's plain and simple. That's why we're in the $38 range. So I just want you to be aware of it. And yeah, we might hit that 39. Only time will tell. So stay on top of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.